Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a delicious, crispy and savory beans cake, popularly known as Akara. Let's dive right in. For this recipe, I used 2 cups of white beans. Feel free to add or reduce same. So you have to soak your beans for about 15 to 20 minutes. You may decide to leave yours for a longer time. So it's time to peel the skins off. This may sound like a bit of work, right? But don't worry, the skins will come off easily. Rub the beans between your hands to remove the skins. You can also rinse them under water and the skins will float to the top, making it easy to scoop them out. Now, if you're using a blender, you are to add little water, just enough to cover the beans, and blend until smooth. You are aiming for a thick, creamy texture similar to a pancake batter. There was a power outage, so I had to go out to grind the beans. I added onions and pepper to my beans. When I got back home, I transferred my beans mixture into a bowl. I stirred it for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I added my salt and I stirred again for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to heat up some vegetable oil in a frying pan. Using a spoon or your hands, scoop the beans mixture and gently drop it into the oil, shaping them into small balls or patties as you go. Fry the akara on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and crispy on both sides. Be sure to turn them over carefully so they cook evenly. Once they are beautifully golden, use a slotted spoon to remove the akara from the oil. And there you have it, crispy golden akara. You can serve this with a hot cup of pap or enjoy it just as they are. They are crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, a true delight. Enjoy your akara and don't forget to share with family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.